Today, we're looking at a one-of-a-kind Tesla Model 3 performance, transformed from an impressive EV into a full custom masterpiece of carbon fiber and high-tech features. Starting with the exterior, we've given it a sleek VDI Lambo door conversion, which adds a dramatic show-stopping entry. Carbon fiber runs throughout the design, enhancing both aesthetics and performance, with a V-style front lip for improved aerodynamics, rear spoiler, and side skirts for a sleek profile, along with fender flares and the Darwin Pro IMP2 hood, each piece meticulously selected for lightweight durability and a striking appearance, ensuring top-notch quality and style. Further details like GT-style side-view mirrors, molded turn signal covers, front bumper fin trim, fog light canards, and door handle covers reinforce the performance look. Fantasy Colors custom paint job paired with an Avery Obsidian black wrap and protected by XPEL PPF and OptiCoat Pro Plus ceramic coating ensures a long-lasting finish. On the road, this Tesla delivers serious performance. Custom stance SF03 wheels in red and black paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires provide exceptional grip, while Tesla's own ventilated performance brakes offer reliable stopping power. The suspension is elevated with an Airlift Performance 3P air management system and Universal Air Solution Series 2. Moving inside, the carbon fiber theme continues with a fighter jet-style steering wheel, a sleek carbon dashboard, a stylish center console, door panels and more, all complemented by luxurious vegan leather seating and premium diamond-stitched car mats, ensuring both luxury and sustainability in every detail. For lighting, this Tesla lights up the night with Teslux Plaid Series headlights, custom underbody lights, Galaxy wheel ring lighting, interior ambiance lighting, and bold assassin taillights, each a nod to innovation and individuality. And all this started with the raw power of a Tesla Model 3 performance 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, showcasing its incredible acceleration and engineering prowess, a top speed of 165 miles per hour, making it a true beast on the road, and a range of 310 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can go the distance without any worries. This custom Tesla is a perfect blend of form, function, and speed,